Good morning, Jason here. So in this video, I wanted to give a brief lesson on have been and have gone. These are present perfect sentences and we use them to speak about where we have visited. For example, I have been to New York or I have been to Paris. But we say that they have gone to New York or Paris. So what is the difference? Can we say that I have gone to Paris? Not really. But why? Well, because there's a difference between been and gone. If we use gone, it means that I have gone to Paris and now I am still in Paris. I am not here. So this would mean that I'm in two places at the same time, which sounds a little strange in English. Here is a representation of gone and been. You see here, gone means that we are still there, and been is we went there and we came back. In this case, it's better to use been, because been means that I went to Paris and then I came back after. So it's better to say, I have been to Paris. And we use this to speak about experiences where we have been. So we use gone with the third person, singular and plural. For example, James has gone to Paris. He is there now. He's not here. Or they have gone to New York. They are on vacation now. So it's good not to confuse these or mix these up, because it does sound a little strange if we use gone for ourselves or for we. So tell me, where have you been on vacation? Okay, that was a short lesson and I will see you next time. Bye.